We reviewed the Dahon Vybe C7A years ago, and it was the best-selling folding bikes in the US for years. The Dahon Vybe D7, featuring the innovative Deltec cable, represents a significant advancement in the design and functionality of single-beam folding bicycles. I have tested the Vybe D7 for a month, and I am really impressed with the upgrade. At the heart of the Vybe D7's design is the Deltec cable, a remarkable innovation by Dahon. This cable transforms the bike's single-beam frame into a triangular structure, which is a game-changer in terms of strength and stability. The triangular design not only enhances the bike's load capacity, but also distributes stress more evenly across the frame, thereby increasing its longevity and reducing the impact on folding joints. The 15% increase in longitudinal rigidity also contributes to the bike's overall durability, ensuring that it remains a reliable mode of transport over time. The Vybe D7 is aesthetically pleasing and functionally efficient. Its small wheels and streamlined design make it both lightweight and ergonomic, catering to the needs of urban commuters who require a compact and easily transportable bike. The lightweight design does not compromise mechanical strength. In fact, the Deltec cable increases the frame's strength, ensuring a robust and durable build. One of the standout features of the Vybe D7 is its portability. The bike is easy to carry and stow, making it an ideal choice for commuters who may need to combine cycling with other modes of transport. The quick and easy operation of the folding mechanism, which allows the bike to open and fold within 15 seconds, adds to its user-friendliness. I also really like the magnetic buckle, which keeps the bike secure once folded. The Dahon Vybe D7 is designed for agility and speed. Its lightweight frame, coupled with the Deltec cable, allows for quick acceleration and a faster riding experience. The triangular structure of the frame contributes significantly to both longitudinal and lateral rigidity, which in turn results in more effective conversion of pedaling force into propulsion. This feature is crucial for riders looking to travel faster while conserving energy. Gear shifting on the Vybe D7 is both convenient and precise, thanks to Dahon's quality 7-speed shifter and derailleur. The bike's smooth rotation, resistance to high pressure, and quick braking capabilities further enhance its safety profile, ensuring a secure and responsive riding experience. Riding comfort and stability are also enhanced. The Vybe D7's handlebar height and angle are easily adjustable and foldable, making it suitable for riders of varying heights and riding preferences. This adjustability, along with the increased rigidity, ensures a stable and comfortable ride. To conclude, let's check out all pros and cons. Pros: enhanced durability and strength, lightweight and portable, improved riding performance, reasonable price. Cons: no cons. The Dahon Vybe D7, enhanced with the Deltec cable, is a testament to Dahon's commitment to innovation in bicycle technology. This bike is a finely tuned instrument for urban mobility, balancing speed, strength, and agility with safety and convenience. The Vybe D7 stands out for its ability to transform the everyday commute into a more efficient, enjoyable, and sustainable journey. It is also priced reasonably at less than $500. Therefore, this is an easy recommendation from BikeFolded.